Very good afternoon, all present here, my dear student, Pradeep faculty member, and our worthy trainer, Abdul Rahman, Professor M.S. Shawar, Professor C.P.S. Verma, Professor Jasveer Singh, Vijay Timan, and other faculty members. Now I'm very happy to hear from your trainer, Dr. Rahman, that the students were very curious to know. But even we more happy if a student are curious to know, teacher will be more curious to know. And the first time it was observed last year that Professor Jasveer Singh came to me that in computer science, in engineering, this course AI and machine learning is being added and the students are rushing. They are not going to attend BCA course. So, I said if you want to run the course, you have to make a change. Then we prepared a model of syllabus for BCA student, including these components. And personally presented to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Madhya Pradesh University, Professor Mahabir Singh. I said, if you want to run this course in your university, and if you want to retain the revenue from this course, then you have to make changes. Otherwise, the students are not going to attend BCA course. And institute will be at loss, the university will be at loss. So ultimately, they accepted our proposal, and perhaps, as Mr. Jasveer told, that from the next academic session, these components will be added in your course, and this BCA course will be more practical as for the previous years. Dear student, to get a knowledge in your course, apart from the prescribed syllabus of the university, is not bad, but it will add value in education. It will help you to get more better personality.
Honorable MD Sir, respected Dr. M.S. Ashok Sir, Campus Rector, our respected C.P.S. Verma Sir, Dear Student Welfare. Today I am here in front of you as a convener of this workshop. So this workshop is a 7-day workshop. You witnessed this thing, and it is the second workshop. In this workshop, basic idea behind this workshop is to put your thinking in the ecosystem of the AIML. We know that in our syllabus there is no anything related to the AIML except the mathematics. Sir, Abdul Sir has totally incapable to correlate the mathematical thing with the AIML machine learning. And here we are the greatest user of the AIML. In India, for the world, maximum pupils are generating the LLMs, large language models, just like the ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. And India is the nowhere in their place, and we are very far behind the thing. The reason behind that, our system, our education system, our syllabus is too far away.
Yesterday in the morning we had an examination. So I really want कि अगर if you are working with me, अगर हम 7 दिन का काम करवा रहे हैं, वर्कशॉप करवा रहे हैं, उसके बाद एग्जाम होगा, जो बच्चे एग्जाम में अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे, अगर मीन परफॉर्म करेंगे, उन्हीं को सर्टिफिकेट देंगे. So and the exam was also tough. Exam in my sense was all conceptual. उसमें कोई इजी ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं था कि अगर YouTube से पढ़ के आगे लोग सॉल्व कर पाओगे, नहीं. All questions were conceptual. अगर आपने लेक्चर सुने हैं, अगर आपको लेक्चर समझ आए हैं, अगर आपने डाउट्स पूछे तो ही आप कर पाओगे. So that was literally very good level examination, and surprisingly they exceeded in that examination too. So it really shows that the students in this institution have a tremendous potential. And उसके बाद yesterday we had
Shabbat sir, Verma sir, HOD sir, TJ Rehman sir. These are our teachers or our Laureate Institute of Management and Information Technology. I am here, standing over here, to tell you about my feedback of the workshop. I was talking about the coding purpose. So, in first year, I was not that much familiar with the coding. I was not that much familiar with the mathematics because my background was not with the mathematics. I was commerce student without maths. And then after that, अगर मैं बात करूँ कि सिंह की वर्कशॉप की, तो जो हमने सीखा इस वर्कशॉप में वो हमारे फ्यूचरिस्टिक वे में, हमारे डिटर्मिनिस्टिक वे में बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक्स करना चाहते हैं नॉट फ्रॉम माय साइड, फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर।
Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and I am BCA first year student and I am standing here to give my feedback on the 7 days workshop had in our institution. So first of all, I would like to thank all the members and the teachers and Mr. Abdul Rahman sir for their support and और इस बोर्ड पर उन्होंने हमें इतने अच्छे से टॉपिक्स के बारे में समझाया, उनके लिए मैं उनका शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ। अब्दुल रहमान सर ने हमें काफ़ी अच्छे से सब टॉपिक्स के बारे में समझाया। मुझे एक बात अब्दुल
Good morning everyone, my name is Ajay Karwal and I am present here to give my feedback on the AI workshop. So firstly I would like to thank Mr. Abdul Rahman sir for giving us these wonderful insights which helps us to a lot about information about the AI, ML, deep learning. As we know, these are very detailed concepts because in the HP universities these type of concepts are not even considered or not even in the syllabus, but these workshops help us a lot about providing the information जिनसे मतलब हमें ये सब चीज़ें सीखने को मिली, जैसे कि रियल टाइम एग्जांपल्स, इवन हाउ द गूगल मैप्स पर, इवन हम किसी भी मशीन मॉडल्स को कैसे ट्रेन कर सकते हैं।
Verma sir, Professor GV sir, resource person Abdul sir, Reggie sir, and other faculty members. I take this opportunity to vote of thanks in end of the session. So first of all, thank you to MD sir and MS Shawat sir, Verma sir, and Abdul sir, and Jasveer sir, and also thank you to all students. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा आपके लिए कि ये जो 7 दिन का जो ये वर्कशॉप हमारा सेकंड लेवल था, तो तीसरे थर्ड लेवल का भी हम प्लान कर रहे हैं जैसे कि सर ने बताया। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इससे भी और पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे, आप लोग सभी को बताओगे कि आप लोगों ने क्या सीखा, आपको देखकर और जने मोटिवेट होंगे। और इस बार 50 थे, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगली बार 100 और 100 बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सीख के जाएं। आप उनको गाइड करोगे कि आपने, क्योंकि आपका थोड़ा सा बेसिक क्लियर है, आप उनको मोटिवेट करोगे। मेरी यही भी कोशिश रही है कि जिस बच्चे ने कर लिया है एक दूसरे को समझाएं। हेजिटेट करते हैं कई बार बच्चे एक दूसरे नहीं पूछते या फिर टीचर से नहीं पूछ पाते। तो मैं यही आप लोगों से उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग को भी बताओगे।